Hi, this is for the world creation, and the world creation is actually really important. It is a manifestation of your strategy that you have actually worked on in the last couple of weeks. This is for your module. This is all bringing up all the things that you have learned so far, and what I mean by that, the maps, for example, you have used for the stakeholders map, or for example, innovation strategy, your values map, and these are really important to be able to get all the data, all the insight and information, and start to try to create these information, how we have actually made it with the avatar creation, making them symbolic representation of objects. And these objects are going to create your model of thinking. So for example, here I have some like a board game pieces, and I use them, for example, for the resources. I'm going to represent them as my resources for my for the service that I'm actually designing. These are my guys. They are kind of like they are my guys of saying that they are actually my customers. And then I might actually use, if I don't have anything, if you don't have anything, I can use, let's say, maybe a cup. These cups might be your most important stakeholders. And then I created this kind of like a box. So you can use any kind of a box that's going to kind of represent the company that you are talking about or the service. And the easiest one is, of course, to make it out of, again, paper. And you can also draw on it. And the best part is actually really shaping it, because the shape is going to show what you are trying to talk about. Design actually always talks about the power of and the embodied information about the company. So if the company is very much like a transparent, then you can, like how I did it, I created like a big huge kind of openings. If the company is very much like a closed system, you can make like a small opening. So all of them are kind of metaphoric thinking, and metaphors taking a very three-dimensional objects, three-dimensional representation. And I also created this kind of like a schema. This is showing me my thinking model, and all I want you to do on this one is role play it and try to see exactly where how the system is actually working, where the services are, how the service is actually manifesting, who are your customers, what kind of politics are going on, what is the hierarchy, who is your competition, and how close is your competition. So you can think about the proximity and all of these. So this is for you to create a model of your thinking. It would have been amazing if the whole teams were together and then you could share, but this is also giving you your own time of seeing your own thinking model, and then you can share it with your teammates, and then we can discuss in the given time what were you thinking and how you are reflecting on your actual strategy. And I really want you to create every important key point as a three-dimensional object. You can use anything from the environment that you are in, because with the given situation, we don't have all the materials. But I'm sure you can find, for example, even a plate can mean maybe a network circus. You can use maybe small pieces of things, for example, buttons. They can mean the customers or the important points. It all depends on you. I cannot give you exactly what you should be doing, because your project and your thinking is your own representation, and that's the most important thing. It's how you actually reflect your knowledge onto a three-dimensional thinking model.